Hey, it's Ted here. I'm in my diesel lab and I got another project for one of the other co-workers here at the college, and they have an old Toro wheel horse that has somebody previously epoxied a spark plug in. They had stripped it out, so we're in the process. We're going to pull the cylinder head off and we're going to put a time insert spark plug replacement on it. So let's take a look at what we're doing. Okay, so I've got the machine here. Nice machine, it's pretty clean. I think it's a 93 wheel horse Toro, like Toro. It's got a 1-cylinder 14 horse Kohler on it. We got to look up a head gasket for it. And you can see down here that that spark plug has been stripped out in the past. There's some epoxy here I broke off from this bolt. And we have the spark plug here, and you can kind of see that they put, I imagine it looks like JB Weld on it, you know, trying to keep that from falling out of the cylinder. They're just trying to glue it in there, which is really not a very smart thing to do, but you know, we're gonna take it apart, pull the head off. Okay, we got the cylinder head off, and doesn't look too bad. You know, the cylinder walls don't look bad. Just gonna get another head gasket. And we're looking at that bore and how that is completely stripped out, but I can put a time insert in this and get it back in shape.